In this video, I will show you how to add a field to CRM forms in Bitrix24. First, log into your Bitrix24 account. Once you are logged in, you will see your main dashboard. On the upper right portion of your screen, you will see two buttons: the Notifications button and the Settings button. Click on the Settings button and the drop-down menu will appear. Next, click on Kanban Settings. From there, click on View Form Fields and another pop-up will show. This pop-up is called Customize View Form Fields. Here you can customize your settings by checking the boxes for the fields you want to display. On the upper right side, you also have several tabs you can adjust based on your preference, such as About Deal, More, Contact, and Company. Once you've selected all the fields you want, click the Apply button at the bottom of the screen. And that's how to add a field to CRM forms in Bitrix24.